Ready to ditch the confusing spreadsheets and the constant market watching, but still want professional investment management? That's the promise of robo-advisors like Nutmeg. But from a financial advisor's chair, are these digital wealth managers a genuine solution or just a fancy algorithm? Hi, I'm your name, a qualified financial advisor, and today we're taking a deep dive, professional look at Nutmeg. Nutmeg is a UK pioneer in the robo-advisor space, now backed by JP Morgan. Their core offering is simple. You answer a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and their system puts you into a diversified, ready-made portfolio of ETFs. Now, for the financial advisor's perspective, let's break this down into three key areas: accessibility, choice, and critically, cost. First, accessibility. This is where Nutmeg really shines, especially for new or time-poor investors. The user journey is smooth. The minimum investment is relatively low at £500 for an ISA or pension, and the sheer simplicity of set it and forget it is a huge value add. As advisors, we know a major barrier for many people is simply starting their investment journey, and Nutmeg demolishes that barrier. Second, choice and management. Nutmeg offers several investment styles, and this is an important distinction. You have your fixed allocation portfolios, which are cheaper, more passive, and only reviewed once a year. Then you have the fully managed option, which is more expensive because the in-house team actively adjusts the portfolio based on market conditions, the closest you get to traditional human management. They also offer socially responsible and the premium Smart Alpha portfolios powered by JP Morgan expertise. The key point here is that with all options, the control is theirs, not yours. You can't pick individual stocks or funds. For a DIY investor, that's a deal breaker. But for someone who wants genuine, professional asset allocation without the hefty fees of a traditional wealth manager, it's a big win. Which brings us to cost. This is the balancing act. Nutmeg is generally more expensive than a pure, do-it-yourself platform like Vanguard or low-cost brokers. Their fees vary, but for the fully managed option, you are looking at around 0.75% a year on the first £100,000, plus underlying fund costs. So, who is Nutmeg for, from a professional standpoint? The investment newbie. If you have no idea where to start and value professional management over the absolute lowest cost, Nutmeg is an excellent, educational on-ramp. The hands-off investor. You want your money working hard, but you don't want to spend your weekends rebalancing your portfolio. The set and forget simplicity is worth the extra fee. The mid-tier investor. For portfolios under £100,000, their fee structure is competitive compared to a full private bank. Who is it not for? The low-cost minimalist. If your priority is just tracker funds and the lowest possible fee, you'll find cheaper options. The stock picker. If you want to research and own individual shares, this is the wrong platform entirely. The final word? Nutmeg is a robust, professionally managed, and user-friendly solution that fills a very specific and valuable gap in the market, providing accessible, diversified wealth management for people who want more than just a DIY brokerage account, but less than a full private banking service. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.